Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Instacart Shopper Payment Card. First, open the Instacart app and tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, under Account, tap Instacart Payment Card. If your card is not activated yet, tap Activate New Card. Enter your 16-digit card number and 3-digit security code. Then tap Continue. Once completed, your card is fully active and ready to use for payments, transfers, and tracking your earnings. And that's it. That's how to activate your Instacart Shopper Payment Card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.